President Emmerson Mnangagwa sends condolence message after Linda Masarira passing. Kusangana kwa taita zvakare pana pa YouTube channel yenyu yeMagaba News patunobata nawo dzakasiyana-siyana dzinenge dzichiitika munharaunda nemunyika yedu yeZimbabwe tichiitikana pane vachangosvika ndiwo mukana wekubaya button rakanzi subscribe. Today we have a news. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has joined Zimbabweans in mourning the passing of lead party president Linda Masarira following news that the opposition leader passed away on Sunday after a period of poor health. Mure Zimbabwe vaMnangagwa vonyora tsamba zuva ranhasi nekuda kwezverufu rwaLinda Masarira anova an opposition leader itungamira bato rainzi Labour Economist and Africa Democratic kana kuti lead anova akasheka uri musi wa 24 May 2026 anova zvakare aibata kuma opposition asi mukupedzisira kwake mukubata kuma opposition aiva ari mumwe aitsigira chiitiko ichi cheCAB 3 chinova cheConstitutional Amendment Bill number 3 achiti yakanakira kuruzhinji rwenyika yeZimbabwe. Onyorerwa tsamba navaMnangagwa vachinyora tsamba vachisenda kuhama neshamwari dzaLinda Masarira apo pavanyora tsamba inova iri tsamba yavari kuzivisa pamusoro pechiitiko chezverufu rwaLinda Masarira apo zvanyorwa zvichitenderedzwa zvichiziviswa mazipepanhau akasiyana-siyana. According to news in a statement issued through the Department of Presidential Communication on Monday, President Mnangagwa expressed her sadness over the loss and extended condolence to Masarira's family during what he described as a difficult moment. The president called on the nation to stand together with the family in the morning and to remember the contribution that Linda Masarira made to Zimbabwe, a political and civic landscape. In his message, Mnangagwa said he hoped the Masarira family would find comfort and strength through remembering her work and contribution to the country. He also expressed the hope that Zimbabwe would share in the grief being experienced by her relatives, family, and supporters. The president further offered prayers for peace and comfort during this time of mourning and contribute by wishing for her soul to rest in eternal peace. Linda Masarira was one of the Zimbabweans well-known female opposition figure and become widely recognized for her outspoken political position and activism. She founded the Labour Economist and Africa Democratic Party, commonly known as LEAD, and later became its president. Over the years, she built a political profile that attracted both support and criticism, became a voice that regularly participates in national discussions and political debates. Masarira also contested presidential election and consistently spoke on issues affecting ordinary citizens, women, and young people. Supporters often describe her as some who openly expressed her view and remained active in public discussions concerning governance and national development. Her involvement in politics and civic matters made her a notable figure in Zimbabwe's political space. Throughout her career, she pushed for a greater participation of young people and women in leadership and public office. Following news of her passing, reaction and message of condolence have to emerge from a different section of society from across Zimbabwe political divide. Tributes have come from people with different political perspectives, with men acknowledging her roles and contribution in public space. The message being shared reflects how moment of loss can bring together individuals and groups despite political difference, as people focus on remembering a person, work and values and impact. The passing of Linda Masarira has also sparked conversation about her political journey and the roles she played as a female leader in a space often dominated by men. Many people are now reflecting on the discussions she participated in and the causes she supported during her years in politics and activism. Muri Zimbabwe ndizvo zvinhu zviri kubuda, ndiwo mashoko ava Mnangagwa amanga muchiona aripo pascreen ava vanyora vachizivisa vachiti, it is with a heavy-hearted that I learned of passing of Miss Linda Tsungirai Masarira, the leader of the opposition party. Her departure is a greater loss to her family, to the women of Zimbabwe and to the nation at large. On behalf of ZANU-PF, a government, the people of Zimbabwe, my family and myself, I extend my heartfelt condolences to the Masarira family, relatives and friends. May they find strength in the knowledge that their daughter, sister, mother and compatriot served her country with conviction and courage. Miss Masarira was a bold and outspoken voice in Zimbabwe political and civic space. She consistently advocated for dialogue, constitutionalism and national unity at a time when the country needs sober voices. She was particularly fearless in defending the engagement and to shaping a national narrative centered on unity, peace and development. Through her works in civil society, in the media and in political platforms such as the Political Actors Dialogue, she demonstrated that Zimbabwe of diverse political background can disagree without being enemies and can work together for the common good. May the legacy of Comrade Masarira inspire others, especially young women, to participate actively and responsibly in the affairs of their countries. Do mashoko ari kubva kuna vaMnangagwa vachinyora vachisenda condolence. Ende toti zimwe nhau dzatauya tikabata pano pa YouTube channel yenyu yeMagaba News. I thank you for watching. Share your thoughts respectfully in the comment section and remember to subscribe for more updates and news stories. I thank you for keep on supporting our YouTube channel.